The Lewistown Public Library, in conjunction with Parks and Recreation, as well as Spika, have created a new StoryWalk in their community.
So we have a phenomenal youth services librarian named Kiara, and we were looking at summer reading program planning for next year and talked about the possibility of doing a StoryWalk.
Spika Design and Manufacturing is a custom design manufacturing company. We specialize in mobile work platforms. A lot of our customers are military-based or aerospace.
Within a month, the project was well underway.
This was August. We talked to the CEO of Spika in late August, and she and Shanndon and the wonderful Spika crew had them built by the middle of September. So it came together really quickly.
So the Lewistown Library came to us with a request for the sign boards to be made, and they brought some examples of things that you could buy and just have delivered. But we were doing a community service day. We do it annually.
Once it got started, it just kind of fell together in a really beautiful way, right?
The project was completely done by volunteers.
Casino Creek Concrete, a local concrete company, just donated the labor and the concrete. That's what's been the best about this project for me, is seeing the different ways our community can work together to do something that's going to be long-lasting and have a huge impact, especially for kids.
And then we went ahead and manufactured it, and on day of service we did the effort of machining them and welding them and cleaning them up so that they could then get installed out here.
The boards allow families to read and learn together in nature.
So for this one, the story is If You Give a Moose a Muffin. We have the MSU Extension agents' favorite muffin recipes and more information on how to do things like baking classes through them. We're looking forward in the future to doing more work to showcase our beautiful local ecosystems that you can find on the city trails, and to involve other organizations to really expand the impact of this project.
No, Spika is always looking to help the community out, and every year we're doing our manufacturing day for students to come see our facility, and I think this year we did 400 students, and then our big one we do is the day of service. So we're always looking for projects like this for our community to work on.
In Lewistown, I'm James Rowan, MTN News.